Welcome to Mars Beauty Test Flights, where we try out your favorite products. Today we have 5 queen bee lace wigs that we are going to try out today. Let's see how they work out. Alright, so first up we have Khalifa, and this is the chestnut wig. She's giving like nature girl. I like the like tight curls. I actually normally go for like looser curls, but I really like this. Let's see how she looks on. Alright. Okay. Okay. I like this. Not my color, but the curl pattern is not as bad as I thought it was. She's giving. She's definitely giving. So if I part it, I do like it parted. She's even got some baby hairs you can work with too. I like it like parted way better, because I'm just not a middle part girl, but okay, half up, half down. I like that. I actually really do like it like this. I probably wear it like this, to be honest. Okay. I'm gonna give her 4 out of 5 alien heads. Next up we have Miss Leisha. She's fun. She's definitely got a lot going on with the color. Let's see how she looks. Oh my gosh. Hold on. This is so cute. I like this. I really like this. Wow. Baby hairs on. Yeah. Plenty of baby hairs to work with. I love the feel of it. You can see me out. You can see me out like this, for sure. This is so cute. Half up, half down. I just had to give it a second, but let me see, I might even like her better in the poof. Yes. Oh my, y'all can see this. I know y'all see the vision. Yeah. She gets 5 alien heads for sure, because she's fun, she's colorful, and yeah, I don't know, I just feel really girly and happy with this one. So next up we have Deja. This is, I really like this one. Very natural girl. The tighter curl pattern again, but we'll see. I normally go for the looser ones, but we'll see how this looks. Okay. With the cut, it's kind of like some pieces are longer, some pieces are shorter, so I'm not sure how I feel about that. But it looks very natural, and I feel like this is something that, like, this is what you would want to go for, you know, if you're trying to, you know, have a natural look, and you can dress this up, dress this down however you want to. Let's see how she looks parted. I would probably do some trimming, just to kind of make it even or like more layered. Half up, half down. I would give her 2.5, 3 out of 5 alien heads. But she's so cute. I think it's the shininess that's like really like selling this to me right now. Like, I really like how shiny it is and the feel of it. Like, I feel like this could last a long time. And next up we have Miss Brianna. First impressions, she's got a lot going on and I like it. She's giving like New York City, fun, like in the 90s, like with the dark lip liner, that era, that's what she's giving. Yeah, I really like this look. Okay, let's see what she Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Yeah. Yup. Oh my, okay. This is fun. This is so fun. Lots of baby hairs to play with. Lots. And it feels so good. This is like everything that I would want in a wig. Everything. Let's see how she looks. Parted. Okay, Brianna. I see you. Okay, half up, half down. Okay. Maybe like the same thing as before with the 2 little pieces, you know, sticking out, make it a little like, you know, effortless. Just like, yeah, she broke my scale. This is 6 alien heads for sure. Like, This is, yeah. This is the one. This is the one. I don't have too much. And next up we have Jayla. And let's see, first impression. She's giving like innocent, like going to the bookstore, getting coffee. Like she's got this innocent look to her. I like her. She's cute. Y'all know how I feel about the loose curls. Yes. Yeah, I feel like if I had this wig, I would like compensate by like wearing a bunch of colors, but that's just me. You know, let me see how she looks parted. Let me see how she looks parted. Yeah. Half up, half down. Ooh, yeah. So, I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5 alien heads because it's just the color. Like she's a little innocent. She's a little innocent. I like to have fun. And she is fun. But I don't know. I really like, yeah, this is a 4. This is definitely a 4. That's what I would give her. Yeah. All right, guys. So, I know you know which ones I really liked. But who's the winner? Is it Leisha? Or is it Brianna? I'm here to tell you. It's definitely Brianna. The winner is Brianna! No, she had a lot to give. She was like giving so much life. Oh my gosh, like this was just like the most fun wig ever. Like everything I would want in a wig. Loose curls, color, the texture. You can part it all types of ways and it still come out amazing. Like it's still amazing. Like you can't mess up with this wig. Like that's how I felt. This is the one. Alright guys, that's it. You can shop all these wigs in the description below. Which one was your favorite? Also, which products would you like to see next on Mars Beauty Test Light? Until then, it's your host, Waisha, signing off.